Learn to make delicious haleem in just 45 seconds. Haleem is a popular South Asian dish made with meat and lentils, and it's perfect for any season. To make haleem, you'll need 1 cup of lentils and 1 cup of broken wheat, 1 pound of boneless beef, spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and red chili powder, ginger, garlic, and green chili paste, onions, tomatoes, and yogurt, ghee or vegetable oil. Garnishing essentials like fried onions, fresh coriander, and sliced lemons. Here's how you make it. 1. Soak the wheat and lentils for at least 2 hours and then cook them until they're very soft. 2. In a separate pot, cook the beef until it's tender and add the spices, onion, and tomato. 3. Mash the cooked wheat and lentils, then blend them with the beef mixture. 4. Cook everything together for another hour, stirring regularly. 5. Add a dollop of ghee or oil before serving and garnish with fried onions, coriander, and lemon. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious homemade haleem. Stay tuned for more easy recipe videos.